Welcome to the Interment Arrangements overview. Let me show you how to create, process and cancel an arrangement, as well as how to utilize filters and calendar view. To access the Interment Arrangements page, find and click the grave icon on the navigation panel to the left. Here you can create a new arrangement, find an existing one, edit and process records. First things first, let's create a new arrangement using a corresponding button on the top left. Before we proceed, I should note that our platform is customized for each individual cemetery, and it can look a bit different on your end, but core principles stay the same. You can return to all arrangements at any point via to All Arrangements button on the top left. When you begin the creation process, you need to fill in the mandatory fields highlighted with a red asterisk. Other fields can be completed later, or even left blank if needed. Change the type of service if necessary and select the applicant in the corresponding sections. Then, fill in the decedent personal information. The creation module is working with data from your inventory and sales systems. If the name of the decedent is the same as the owner of the lot in the inventory, a pop-up will appear to the right. Choose the correct option to fill in personal and lot details automatically. Next is the service details. Here you can set the service date and time, as well as its location and variant. Specify whether the decedent has a veteran status and needs military honors. Then, enter burial data and add next of kin. Provide a contact person information or leave it the same person as next of kin. Leave any special instructions if needed. Also, at any point of creation, you can add notes with a button on the top right. When you are ready, click the Proceed to Services button. On the Services step, select the ones you will need from the present list by clicking the plus icon, or enter a new service name and cost into an empty field. Choose whether it is one-time or an additional main price list service from now on, after which add it using Add Service button. Total cost can be seen at the bottom. In case of services being paid for in advance during lot purchase, they will appear on top. Choose which ones would be used, and add additional if necessary. Total cost will not include prepaid services. When you are ready to continue, click Proceed to Documents. This step is dedicated to uploading any documents relevant to the arrangement. To do so, click the Upload field, then select it from your device, or drag and drop a document into the said field. When it is ready, name it and select its type. If none of the types apply, select Other. If you need to upload a document later, you will have an opportunity to do so. Depending on the settings of your platform, new documents can be generated and uploaded during the arrangement processing automatically. To continue, click Proceed to Checklist. This step contains a checklist that you can use to note whether the arrangement meets cemetery's criteria. The final step is confirmation. Make sure that everything is in order, and if changes need to be made, click the pen icon on the top right corner of the information block. You can also move back to a previous step by selecting its name on the top of the page. When you are done, click Confirm and create arrangement. Then, select Back to All Arrangements. A new record will now appear in the list. To find records easier, you can use filters on the left. There is also a quick search option at the bottom of the page. Click within the Arrangements field to open the Details card. This view allows you to look through and edit all the previously provided data, make notes, as well as check the arrangement status and history. Current status can be seen at the top right of the card, and status history in the corresponding tab of the detailed view card. In Summary section, click on the Information field's content to edit. At the bottom of the Summary section there are two action buttons. Click the To Services button to continue with the arrangement processing, or cancel arrangement if it is necessary. Same actions can be done from the list view as well. Close the Details card by clicking outside of it and select an action from the corresponding arrangement record. When an action is complete, it will be moved to the next status category, and you can now find it by selecting the Services tab on top of the page. This status allows us to make final edits to an arrangement if needed, and continue with the In Progress button when we are done. When the record receives the In Progress status, no more edits to the summary data can be made, besides adding notes. When an arrangement is complete, press the Move to Archive button. The Archive tab will contain all the processed arrangements, including cancelled ones. After the arrangement is complete, interment data will automatically be added to inventory. All the necessary documents will be generated and can be found in the Documents category of the Detailed View card. There is also an alternative option to view interment arrangements called Calendar. Click the icon below the grave on the navigation panel to open this view. Here you can select the necessary week, day, or even more precise timeframe to create a record in. There is a switch at the top right. Select the one option convenient to you and then click the plus icon next to the day or time of day that suits the arrangement. Using the calendar view provides a more visual approach to time management, since you can see all the existing arrangements with their respective time shown. If you have any questions about the internal arrangements or our platform, please contact our support team with a link in the description. Thank you for watching.